Warm, sunny days are wonderful. It's good for children to spend time playing outdoors. Please remember to protect their skin from the sun. Sunscreen is your #1 defense from the sun. All sunscreen wears off, so remember to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. Make sure it is SPF 30 or higher. For children, lotions and sunscreen sticks offer the best coverage. Make sure the label on the bottle says broad spectrum with UVA and UVB protection. Children should wear a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and comfortable UV protective clothing. It's best to keep infants 6 months of age and under out of the direct sunlight. Keep them in the shade, under a tree, or use an umbrella. Help children enjoy safe summer fun by protecting their skin.